This is a group discussion on work with Bintia and a group of her classmates. Okay, would you like to begin?
I've had a few experience when it become to cleaning. I like vacuuming rooms and dusting, mopping surface, and cleaning kitchen and the bathroom. And it's good to make sure if all assigned area are clean. Neat and tidy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, what kind of job would you like to do in the future? Would you like to work and get paid for it in the future?
Yeah.
What kind of work do you think you might like? Cleaning? Yeah, there's usually lots of opportunities for that. Do you mean cleaning people's houses or cleaning at a college or
offices?
Offices, yeah. Offices are quite nice to clean because they don't get very dirty, do they? They're just a bit messy sometimes, but that's quite nice. Yeah, that would be good. Yeah, yes. There's usually lots of jobs going for that. So you never worked when you left school, or no, you didn't. Right, no. That's okay. It's not a problem. Right, would you like to ask any of these a question?
About cleaning or
about anything in general about jobs? Yes.
What's your name again, please?
My name is Nishanta.
Me?
Nishanta.
What job would you like to do in the future?
I would like to start a business, my own business, or I would like to join like a managing level, executive level job. Like.
And what kind of a job?
Is it administration, like human resource manager, like that?
Right. Oh, yeah. Right. So, yeah, I see what you mean. Yeah. Nice. Would anybody like to ask Bintia a question?
Did you enjoy cleaning?
Yeah, it's my favorite thing. I'm cleaning all the time at home. I can't.
So you have passion for cleaning?
Not passion, but like
you just
at
like
home.
Everywhere to be clean, tidy,
yeah,
neat.
I like that.
So you could pop round my house.
That's nice. I love cleaning as well.
Okay.
But not for job.
No.
Okay.
But wherever I am, I love it to be clean and tidy.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
How long you have experience for that cleaning? If somebody select you,
No.
You have any experience? You work somewhere?
No, I didn't. I never work somewhere, but at home, I used to clean. I clean every day.
So have you been doing this since you were quite young?
Yeah.
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 It's a personal skill.
Yeah.
Home.
Home, yes. So in order to get a job as a cleaner, you probably would have to, I don't know how you'd, well, some people might just take you on for a trial, perhaps, yeah, and see how you work. Yeah. Because it's a bit difficult if you haven't had a job before. Yeah. So they've got nothing to go on after. You know. So it would be quite hard. Yeah. Any more? Any, would you like to ask a question, Tamam?
The cleaning job, easy or difficult?
Hard.
Yeah.
I never work. I just clean at home.
At
Not,
home,
not at all. But for me, it's not hard.
So it's
Because we
hard.
like it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not hard.
Yeah. No, well,
It's not hard
yeah.
for
Yeah.
me.
No.
If you like something, you don't see it hard.
No.
No.
You always enjoy doing it.
Yeah.
Do you like this job, cleaning? If somebody select you for the cleaning job, you like to join?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And it's
And
quite.
the cleaning, wearing the gloves.
Yeah.
So do you mean just would you have to just
Yes.
wear a special like a
Yeah.
apron or a overall, or do you wear anything on
Yeah.
top of your clothes when you're cleaning?
Yes.
Yeah, to keep
And
your
I wear
clothes clean. Yeah,
gloves too.
and you wear gloves. Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh huh. Yeah.
You know, when you're cleaning time, you have experience in which chemical you need to use for the cleaning.
Oh yes, if you were cleaning in an office or somewhere, you'd have to know that, wouldn't you? Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you have any experience for?
Yeah. Like if you are doing cleaning, you have to have like a toilet brush
Uh huh.
and a